Hi students, today I want to show you how to put your listening assessment in your ePortfolio. Click on Classwork. On the left-hand side, scroll down, click on ePortfolios. Okay, so find your ePortfolio, click on it, and you're going to see your listening assessment. So double click on that to open it, and you're going to find, if you scroll down, you'll see that your mark, so you needed 6 out of 8 to pass. And go down till you see your name, and you're going to see your score. So your individual tracking score is 3 complete. So you want to write that down in your notebook. I got a 3. And you also want to write down that you got 7 out of 8 in your notebook. Okay, scroll down and just check your answers. Read any of the mistakes you made. Okay, then you're going to click on the arrow to go back. Now you're going to click on your touchpad with your bottom left-hand corner and with your left finger, and with your right finger you are going to slide it up into number 3, okay? Number 3, listening artifacts. So here we go. Slide it, put it in there, and then it's going to say move, click move. Sometimes you make a mistake, you can click undo. If you didn't make a mistake, click the X. So I'm just going to double check now. So double click and just see. So it's going to be the last one that you put in, and I can see that it's there, CLB4L4. Good. So now I want to click on my name, and now I go to inventory sheets, double click, choose the CLB4 inventory. Okay, and then we're going to go down at the bottom. We're going to, maybe this is kind of small, you can make it bigger, but let's just click on, I can make it bigger here. Oh, it's 80%, I'll make it 90, 100. Okay, so now I'm going to go to listening, and okay, so the listening inventory, here's the name, the date is February 18th. Okay, yeah, that's good. So you'll probably have to write the date in there. And then here you're going to write welcome. The title was called Welcome Parents. Just write Welcome Parents. Click on Formal Assessment. And now you can click over here on the white part and use the down arrow on your keyboard to move down. See how it moves you down? Competency, comprehending information, click, and if I made a mistake, I can just unclick. See? Now I go down, click over here, again, use the arrow key to go down, and my score was 7 out of 8. So the slash is a question mark. So this slash is the same key as question mark, 7 out of 8. And so now here I'm going to click what I got. If I got 0 to 1, my score, if my score is a 1, I am right here. If it's a 2, it's here. If it's a 3, I completed. Okay, so then I just check it over again, make sure I got the result, the score, the competency, my name. Where's the date? Okay, so it looks like it is okay. And I'm going to scroll up a little. Oh, and now I can see there's the date. If I just scrolled up a little, welcome parents, February 18th. So now I close this and I can go back to the beginning page of my ePortfolio, and it looks all clean. Then I can close this and click on the classroom, and I'm back to the beginning.